here this morning, and when I entered into the hall, it's like, oh my God, it's huge.
I've actually met with a lot of people, and I'm really stoked to be here.
And yeah, so far it's been great. It's a great expo.
Connecting with the customers here is wonderful.
It's always refreshing to start looking for new technologies, new ways that we can save money.
The professional development, and also having all the technologies in one place for you, and you can do it in 2-3 days. That is really convenient.